In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable N8N. We'll walk through the full setup for connecting Airtable inside N8N so you can start working with your records directly from a workflow. This is a simple process, but it helps to do it carefully so everything connects properly the first time. To begin, open N8N and create a new workflow. Starting with a fresh workflow keeps things organized and makes it easier to test your Airtable connection without extra nodes getting in the way. Once the workflow editor is open, you're ready to add the service you want to connect. Next, add an Airtable node to the workflow. This node is what allows N and 8N to communicate with Airtable. You can usually add it by clicking the plus button in the editor and searching for Airtable by name. Once you place the node on the canvas, click into it so you can start configuring the connection and decide what you want the node to do. From there, create or select your Airtable credentials. If you've already connected Airtable before, you may be able to choose an existing credential. If not, create a new one. Credentials are what let N8N securely access your Airtable account, so this part is important. Make sure you're using the correct credential entry for the Airtable workspace and data you intend to work with. Now paste your Airtable personal access token into the credential setup. This token is what authorizes the connection. Be careful when handling it and avoid sharing it anywhere publicly. After pasting it in, save the credential so N8N can use it for this and future Airtable nodes if needed. Once the credential is connected, choose the Airtable base and table you want to use. The base is the main container for your data, and the table is the specific set of records you want to work with. Selecting the right combination here is essential because all later actions will be performed on this exact table. After that, select the operation you want the Airtable node to perform. Depending on your goal, this could be getting records, creating new ones, updating existing records, or searching for specific records. Choose the action that matches your workflow objective and review the fields that appear, since they will change based on the operation you select. Next, run the node to confirm Airtable works inside N8N. This test helps you verify that the credentials, base, table, and operation are all configured correctly. If something doesn't work, this is the best point to troubleshoot before moving on. Finally, once everything is working as expected, activate the workflow. Turning it on makes the workflow ready for real use. And that's it. You've successfully connected Airtable in N8N and prepared your workflow for action.